Hi guys, so I want to show you today how I made this planter pot. So as you can see here, I've got this beautiful agave. This one here is a dragon's toe or dragon's foot agave, but it's in this beautiful pretty pot that I made, and I want to share with you how I did that. So firstly, when you go to Bunnings, you can go in and you can buy these amazing self-adhesive vinyl wraps. They're really fantastic, come in amazing colours, and also different styles like wood and tile look. Obviously I've used that one recently, but they also on the back have this. Now this is really important to see. So this here actually shows you can actually cut it down and cut it straight, which is really, really important when you are making those. But you can see that one there's a brick one, which is beautiful. Now these are some pots that I have remade in regards to them. Now you can see on the inside they're tin, really easy. Now I will punch the holes in the bottom of them. They're a tin. I just want to show you how to throw them together. You can see a few different designs that I've made. There's the brick one, which is really cool. And then again. So again, lots and lots and lots of different ones available. Now the tin I'm using today is this tin here, which is actually from the pears we had last night. So fantastic. You can go ahead and use particle slices, any sort of tin. I like the pulvering ones. They're a lot easier to use because they don't have sharp edges afterwards, which makes a big difference. But again, you actually end up covering the edges, so it's not such a big deal because it will be nice and soft. But these big tins that I'm actually using, if you've got anyone who does lots and lots of cooking, these ones here are actually, you can see there's a little bit of a tag on it, but they're actually tomato tins. So one of my girlfriends is a really big cook. She makes a lot of food and is a chef by trade, so I picked up all these tins from her house this week. So firstly I'll show you what I do. Literally cut to size the amount of that you need, so obviously making sure it goes the whole way around. You want to leave some so that on the top you can literally fold it down in there. So again, here's the tin that I'm about to use. I've cut a piece of paper to size, which is this beautiful black and white one. I've used the lining on it to make it out. So what I now do is just bend a corner just to get it so that you can lift it up. Now this adhesive is so easy to use. If you stick it to something, you don't like it, you can pull it off, re-stick it down. So what I do is I then line up the bottom because the top part doesn't really matter as much. So literally here, you can see I'm just lining up the bottom. Now to make it really, really simple and easy, look at this. If you're not happy with it, comes up straight away. So nice and easy adhesive to use. If you do like content in your kids' books, you're going to absolutely love this stuff. If you get a crease in there, I don't know if you can just see that little crease that I've got there, lift it up again and put it back down. And as you go, just smooth it round. If you're not happy with it, but again, keep pulling it up. But what we do is we just go around and around the tin, keep pulling it up the whole way around. Pulling it, now you can see I've got a couple of creases there. So again, lifting it up. Lifting it back to the last crease, oh, this one there, and smoothing it around. Get to the end, pull it off, smooth that down. So beautiful, so you can see there, I've just got the sticky bit at the top here that we need to then cut back. So what I then do is grab a pair of scissors, right, and I'm literally chopping down to the tin part. So just making those little inserts. The tin part. I'll show you. So then what I've actually done is I've made these little flaps. So these flaps then turn over and tuck straight in. So turn over and tuck straight in. And make it a nice smooth edge. Again, turning over, tucking straight in, turning over and tucking straight in. Now this one here did have a little bit of a lip on it, so you can see it's got a little bit of a lip. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to fill them up with soil, and you're not even going to see any of that. That's all going to be all gone. But as you can see, it's another beautiful tin. So again, I've got all these amazing tins I'm going to use and create more of these agaves. Yay! Or succulents. I'm using them, you know, mainly for indoors at the moment. Something I love to try something different is these. I'm gonna put up a link of what I've used from Bunnings and where it is, but these are them here with the little logos on them, so that you can see self-adhesive. Perfect. Have a great day. Tell me what you think.